Okay, let's go to another caller. That's area code 850. Hello, you're live on the air.
Hi, how are you?
Pretty good.
All right.
And your first name?
Jordan.
Jordan.
Yes.
What can we do for you tonight?
Well, I have a question about like a little court issue.
Mm-hmm.
I want to know, not exactly would it work would it work out in my favor. However, I just want to know if it would what's the outcome of this little court case? And there's two of them actually.
You have two court cases coming up, and
Yes.
you're real concerned about them.
Well, there's one that's very important that's coming up sooner, like very soon, within a month, and I'm concerned about that one.
Okay, let's take a look. Okay, Jordan. I'm glad you called tonight. I really am. Did you visit the website, or
Yep.
you did?
The Blog Talk Radio?
Yeah.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Okay, great. Well, let's take a look, Jordan. You know, your second court appearance, although it's important, it's not... I wouldn't worry about that second one. Pardon?
I knew it. That I was thinking that before I called you. Okay, I'm sorry. I was really thinking the same thing, though.
Yeah, you know, the second one, that's... yeah, we'll worry about that one, but you don't really have that much to worry about. This first one that's coming up, that's going to be the one. Now, you will have problems in this case. There's some little sticking points on this thing that you might not be able to squirm out of.
Oh, God.
In your first case, you know what the cards are... I don't want to go into too much detail because we're live on the radio. So, do you know what the cards are talking about?
No, and I don't mind the details because this is something I really need to know. I have no idea right now. I'm thinking work. That's really what I'm thinking, my time and work.
You're working now.
Yes.
And you have to take time off for the court case.
No. I don't have to take time off for it. You know, the court case, the situation that I'm fighting for, I'm thinking it's going to require much more time than what I've been given.
Well, you're going to have the time. You'll be able to make the time to give it. That's not going to be a problem. You know, money-wise, though, that's going to be a balancing issue. In fighting this thing?
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
I hope that's not true because it's already pretty much been paid for. Please, Lord. Okay, wow. So, do you feel like that's going to be an issue later on down the line, or as as the court case develops more and more, or like?
As it develops. I wouldn't worry that much about it, though, Jordan. I know you're getting real nervous about it.
Mm-hmm.
But the cards is not one of those cards where I would say, yeah, absolutely in stone it's going to happen. It just says to watch out. Just watch out for your finances on this. That's all. You know, there are some things you're going to get blindsided about on this. That you're going to go, hey, well, no one told me.
Okay. So, okay, as far as it working out to my favor, do you see that? Is it worth the fight? Is it a good fight? Did I stand my grounds and will I achieve or accomplish exactly what I paid for and asked for? And
Jordan, your case will go your direction. And it will have a good outcome. it is worth fighting for. Because the second card that's here is a card that shows you can't back down. You are right. You know you are.
Yes, I do. Okay.
So you don't give up. You know, you're starting to not have the faith there. It's starting to wane a little bit because you're second thinking yourself. Don't second question yourself on this.
Okay.
Hold your ground. This is going to work out the way you want it to. It's going to work out.
Okay. And how will the relationship be between the other person and myself? Will it end up very, very bad or neutral?
It will end up where the feelings aren't going to be good.
Okay. I knew that. I expected that.
Pardon?
I said, I'm sorry, I expected that. I knew that she would.
You can pretty much just figure there's not going to be a relationship there. It's going to end with this court case.
Wow. Yeah, that's what I was told tonight by the other person.
Right.
Okay.
But stand your ground now. Don't give up.
I definitely won't.
You're in the right. You're in the right on this. So don't let anything sway you one way about backing down. Stand your ground on it. It'll be fine.
I'll do that. I appreciate it.
Okay, Jordan. Okay.
All right.
Thank you for calling.
No problem. Bye.
Well, I'm so sorry, everyone. We're out of time. I'm so sorry that I wasn't able to get to more calls. I think I'm going to have to extend my show to an entire hour so I could get a lot more calls in. I'm very happy that all this evening, and please email me. Go to my show page, and you can send me a email note. Please call in again next week. I do want to get to all of your readings. Blessings for the week.